everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm here with another video in which I'm going to tell what goes on behind the scenes when we are preparing for a motorcycle tour. So one of the essential things is to take all the precautionary measures in case of an emergency, and that includes a toolkit. So I'm going to show you what I keep in my toolkit. So first of all, I have a rugged material tool bag. Any tool can be sharp or anything, so this doesn't tear. Along with that, I have mechanical gloves. These gloves are heat proof and cut proof, so I can handle any hot motorcycle part easily. Now I have an anti-rust spray and a liquid grease spray. This I keep for my chain lubrication, and this I keep for miscellaneous parts lubrication in case of any nut that I don't want to loosen. Along with that, I keep a 4-way wrench which includes a 12, 13, 14 and 17 millimeters and a 3-way wrench that includes an 8, 10 and 12 millimeter size. 3 screwdrivers, one is 2-way, 4-way and 1-way, a tester, a small screwdriver. This is also 2-way, but it's for very small screws. Pliers, a set of spanner that I might be needing to loosen a few nuts, or this is very important when I need to open my tire for puncture purposes. With puncture, I remember that I have 2 sticks that are required to open the tire. Along with the tire, I keep an extra tube, so I don't need to repair the tire there and then. I will just change the tube and continue my journey. When I come across a puncture shop, I'll get my old tube repaired. Along with that, I keep a screw spanner that is adjustable for various sizes, 2 hex keys. Both are related to the things that are attached to my motorcycle. In case I have more things, so I'll keep more keys, but these 2 are required for my motorcycle. A Teflon tape, an insulation tape that is used for wires, a rope in case of any emergencies, a piece of cloth that I might be needing to hold something or even wipe my hands, and most importantly, a headlight that I might need to repair my bike in dark. So these are the essential things that I have gathered and I think are most important for any motorcycle tour. If you enjoyed my content, do like this video, share your feedback in the comments, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and you can share this video with your friends and family. See you in another video.